Many of us have experienced the frustration of waiting for our nails to dry, only to smudge them moments later. Traditional drying methods can be time-consuming and ineffective. In this video, we'll dive into the common issues with nail drying lamps and explore a fantastic solution. Stay tuned and let's get started. Meet the SUNUV Gel Nail Light, your new go-to for all nail drying needs. With a powerful 48 watts of UV LED energy and 3 timer settings, this lamp makes quick and efficient drying a breeze. No more waiting around or dealing with smudged nails. Whether you're a nail enthusiast or a beauty vlogger, this innovative tool promises salon-quality results right at home. Stay with us as we delve deeper into its features and performance. Let's unbox the SUNUV Gel Nail Light and see what's inside. As we open the box, you'll notice its sleek and modern design. The lamp has a solid build that feels both sturdy and reliable. It's clear that a lot of thought went into the user-friendly design, making it not just functional, but also aesthetically pleasing. The unboxing experience itself sets a positive tone, making you excited to try it out. As we move forward, you'll see how easy it is to set up and begin using. Setting up the SUNUV Gel Nail Light couldn't be easier. Start by plugging it into an outlet, and you're all set. This lamp comes with 3 timer settings: 5 seconds for quick touch-ups, 30 seconds for regular use, and 60 seconds for thorough drying. Whether you're a nail enthusiast or a beginner, these options give you the flexibility to find the perfect setting for your needs and ensure a flawless finish every time. Now let's see how effective this lamp is in action. Now, let's see the SUNUV Gel Nail Light in action. After choosing your favorite shade of nail polish and carefully applying it, place your hand under the lamp and select the timer setting that suits your needs, whether it's the quick 5 seconds, the moderate 30 seconds, or the thorough 60 seconds. Watch as the UV LED light works its magic, efficiently drying your nails almost instantly. You'll notice the rapid transformation with the wet polish setting and curing flawlessly under the beam. The UV light ensures that there are no smudges or imperfections, giving you a professional, salon-quality look at home. This demonstration highlights the SUNUV Gel Nail Light's promise of speed and effectiveness, making it a must-have for anyone serious about their nail care routine. No more waiting, blowing on nails, or worrying about accidental smudges. It's all about convenience and quality, seamlessly achieved in just a few moments. As we move forward, you'll see a side-by-side comparison, showcasing the remarkable difference in drying time and finish. Here's a before and after comparison. Notice how the SUNUV Gel Nail Light provides a smooth, smudge-free finish in a fraction of the time compared to traditional methods. Before using the lamp, the nail polish takes significantly longer to dry, often resulting in smudges and imperfections. But with the SUNUV Gel Nail Light, the drying time is drastically reduced, ensuring a flawless, glossy finish every single time. See the vivid difference in the shine and smoothness of the nails. Traditional drying methods often leave you waiting, and the results can be inconsistent. However, the SUNUV lamp ensures uniform drying across all nails, giving you a professional salon-quality finish at home. This quick and efficient process not only saves time, but also enhances the durability of your manicure. The nail polish doesn't chip easily and retains its luster for much longer. That's the magic of UV LED technology at work. As we move forward, you'll hear first-hand experiences from users who've tried this remarkable product. Don't just take my word for it. Here are some testimonials from other users who have tried the SUNUV Gel Nail Light and loved it. Starting with Emma, who says, "This nail lamp is a game changer. My nails dry perfectly every time, and I no longer have to worry about smudges." Sarah adds, "I've tried so many nail lamps, but none compare to the SUNUV. It's fast, efficient, and gives a salon-quality finish." And then there's Jessica, who was initially skeptical, but now can't imagine her routine without it. "I was hesitant at first, but this lamp truly delivers. My nails look flawless, and it saves me so much time." These testimonials highlight just how effective the SUNUV Gel Nail Light is. It's not just our opinion, but a chorus of satisfied users who've experienced its benefits firsthand. As we move forward, you'll see how we address common concerns and provide even more reasons why the SUNUV Gel Nail Light is the ultimate solution for your nail drying needs. You might have some concerns about using a UV LED nail lamp. Let's address some common questions and provide honest feedback based on my experience. One common concern is the potential health risks associated with UV exposure. The SUNUV Gel Nail Light uses low-heat UV LED technology, which minimizes exposure and is safer for your skin compared to traditional UV lamps. Another frequently asked question is about the drying time. The SUNUV Gel Nail Light is designed to dry your gel polish quickly and efficiently, thanks to its 48-watt power and multiple timer settings. From my experience, it dries in a fraction of the time it takes other methods. You may also wonder about the compatibility of the lamp with different gel polishes. The SUNUV Gel Nail Light works well with most brands of gel polishes, ensuring you get professional results regardless of the product you prefer. A significant concern for many is the longevity and durability of the product. After using the lamp extensively, I can vouch for its sturdy build and durable design. It feels solid and well-made, ensuring it lasts through numerous manicures and pedicures. Lastly, some users are skeptical about the ease of use. Setting up the lamp is straightforward, and with 3 easy-to-navigate timer settings, you can customize the drying time to suit your needs. Honest feedback is crucial, and I want to assure you that the SUNUV Gel Nail Light stands up to its promises. Next, you'll see more in-depth demonstrations and real user testimonials that reinforce the efficacy and reliability of this product. In conclusion, after thoroughly testing and evaluating the SUNUV Gel Nail Light, I'm delighted to share my final thoughts and personal recommendations. This UV LED nail lamp has proven to be a true game changer, offering an exceptional solution for anyone seeking salon-quality nails from the comfort of their own home. The lamp stands out for its efficiency and ease of use. It quickly dries nail polish, drastically cutting down on the time you need to wait. No more anxious moments hoping your nails won't smudge. Another impressive feature is its versatility. The varying timer settings allow you to tailor the drying process to your specific needs, making it suitable for different types of nail polish and designs. Let's also talk about the build quality. Sleek, modern, and built to last. This is a device that feels premium from the moment you unbox it. Considering all its features and the flawless results it delivers, I highly recommend the SUNUV Gel Nail Light to nail enthusiasts and beauty lovers alike. You'll find it to be a valuable addition to your beauty toolkit, simplifying your nail care routine while ensuring professional-grade results. As we wrap up, remember, having the right tools can make all the difference in achieving the perfect manicure. Stay tuned as we transition to our call to action. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Engaging with our content helps us bring you detailed and honest reviews like this one. And if you're ready to elevate your nail game, the SUNUV Gel Nail Light is just a click away. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy nail polishing.